says Keon wants to review his pricing and produce a new price list for July 2001. He's provided you with the current inventory sheet showing the unit sales price and the cost sales price of these products. We need to open the worksheet called price list. So price list. We need to apply data validation to A3 and A20 to ensure only categories that can be entered are those shown in K3 to K5. So let's go and do that. First of all, what we're going to do is make this bigger. I want to do data validation, so I'm going to highlight where I want it, which they said A3 to A20. I'm going to go to data, data validation, data validation. As I've already got a list, I'm going to change this to list, highlight the list in the source, and then click OK. So to know I've done it right, drop down, and I should only have the drop down lists of the category of cakes, which I have. It says Keon is going to increase all of his selling prices by 8% with the prices rounded down to the nearest penny. Okay, so use appropriate rounding formula to calculate the new selling price for each inventory item in F3 to F20. So let's get that done. First of all, I want to do a formula to increase it by 8%. So equals, open bracket, the selling price is going to be increased by 8%. So multiplied by 8%. Now that will only give me the 8, but I want to know the new selling price. So I need to add that to the £15. That's given me 16.20. Check it on your calculator. If it's right, you know you've done your formula wrong. But now they want us to round down the figure. So if I double click and in front of the equals write round down, okay, if I click on the FX, well, what do I want to round it down to? I want it to 2 decimal places, so I'm just going to put 2, and there's my round down. Doesn't look like anything's happened, but maybe some of these are at 5 and above, so the computer will automatically round it up. We're telling it to automatically round it down. When you know that's correct, if you double click on the box, that should flash fill down for you, or you can left click hold. We've done that. We've done the round down. In F21, use a function. Function is basically your equals, your av, the countif, the if, using the formula builder. Okay, not a formula, to identify the average, the mean of the new selling price. So here we're going to go formulas, drop down, average, and it's doing it from F3 to F20, and press enter. It says format the worksheet so that the cells E21 and F21 are yellow. The font color should remain the same. So E21, F21, home, we want to fill it, so the paint can, yellow. And there we have it. Task 2 is now done, so save your work.